Hello there, this is Silicon Life by Unique Tech Guide. We talk about technology and how to become a better programmer and just overall a tech-savvy person. You might have seen on the internet that people are inspecting Tesla's website and figure out that Tesla might be accepting Dogecoin. And you might have wondered how to do that, and let's show you. So first, navigate to the Tesla website. I have it open already. Click into the existing inventory. And then right click or command click on, I'm using Chrome. You can also, the same way should work on Firefox. And I select inspect to be able to view the console and some of its HTML code. And this, what we're looking for is actually in sources, because sources contained some of the files, including not only just the files that are HTML, also we are able to see some JavaScript here as well. So what you're gonna do here is you can see already a little bit that this is this is all hypothetical, right? Just because it's in the front end code does not mean it's in the back end code. As we know, Elon Musk can be a great troll and quite a personality for crypto. I personally like him, but we can't take his words too seriously. Just because this appears in the front end code really doesn't mean much about what are they going to do in the back end, or are they actually going to accept this payment. But what people are referring to is, first of all, you can already see that metamask is kind of available here. So maybe this has something to do with metamask. And then we can also see there are just some really basic tracking here. So I'm going to go into the asset inventory, just looks normal. Okay, so it's because right now you don't see the payment code that people are talking about because we're not at the payment page yet. So let me go ahead and let's say you can punch in a zip code and search for some existing inventory. So I'm just going to say, it's all, apparently it's all sold out. Like I was checking this yesterday and it was quite available. Model 3 is available, and today there's absolutely nothing around me. That is pretty shocking. Let's say Model S, and the same thing works. So I'm just going to say buy now, and I'm not going to do any crazy configuration. You can see on the right hand side here that I have to pay a lot. But this is where I want to inspect whether Tesla take any other payment, even though it just says order with card here. So I'm just going to right click. I'm going to right click and select inspect. And now I will click on the source tab again in our developer tool. And this time around, you can see there's quite a bit of things going on. Several things going on here. And if I click into, so I'm just gonna click into this. Okay. So this payment, so you can see it's index something.js. Let me just close the other one to avoid confusion. Okay, so this is where people see the code. So I'm just gonna also press pretty print, and because basically most files are minimized for compact reasons. Minified JavaScript files are easier to load, and the minimized JavaScript source code files are smaller because the white space all takes up space, and there's quite a myriad of reasons why you should use minified JavaScript. And the pretty print just basically gives this nice human readable format. I'm just gonna press Command F, and a find box appears. Let me shrink the window so we can all see it better. Okay, and here I'm just gonna type in Dogecoin. And that's pretty cool. You can see this has crypto, it has a Dogecoin, and then here people are saying the English part. It's basically the EN stands for English. It's a localized language thing. So basically for English speaking countries, display maybe in the future, these are the things I want you to translate it to. Crypto should correspond to Dogecoin. That's pretty insane. That's literally, they're saying the crypto payment will be via Dogecoin. It could be a trolling. We shouldn't take that too seriously, but that's pretty cool. Plaid, we know, is a very awesome app that connects basically to your bank account, and it's been super popular here in the United States. I'm not sure what's SEPA. I've seen that quite a bit. Smart POS. It's actually point of sales machines. That's kind of like Square and Alipay. That's a popular payment method in China. Apple Pay, we all know. Card, credit card, check. That's really cool. So this is how you inspect Tesla, and maybe you can use this on any other website to see if they are aiming to implement Web3 payment methods. And the number one hint is the use of any MetaMask scripts. MetaMask is a popular Ethereum-based wallet that's basically able to handle Ethereum, as well as many ERC20, basically EVM compatible blockchain tokens. And so you can import custom tokens as well. And then the other hint is this kind of display, right? We can see it in a little bit of front end validation code if the payment case is Dogecoin, returns Dogecoin, etc. And we can see it basically throughout. But this could be, again, this could be trolling, because we have seen previously there was a rumor that there was a Shiba token for payment, and Shiba didn't exist. It wasn't a token. It's different from sheep, and it's different from Doge, the two popular meme coins at that time. So this could be totally a joke. It's a fun one, but surely it has some pretty hard to predict effect on the Dogecoin price. And this is not investment channel. This is not investment advice. Crypto is super risky. I personally do hold crypto. And I was really surprised to see my Dogecoin, which was doing very, very poorly, increase from 0.15, 1 to 0.68 or 9 that I checked. And that's a pretty substantial increase after Reddit has been plastered with this news. So I thought this was a short tutorial that might be useful for you to inspect any websites in the future. And this is just a nice, cool way to inspect websites. That's just very useful to figure out what the websites, how to build or build a small version of your favorite website. And for more tutorials like this, please go to our partner site, which is ml@learn2code.co. And there we have more blockchain tutorials, as well as especially machine learning and data science tutorials, and just web development in general by Unique Tech Guide. Thank you.